Setting up your Buy Button channel. From the Lulu Direct dashboard, open your Buy Button channel and click Settings. First, add your support contact information so customers know how to reach you. By default, Lulu uses the email address associated with your account. Next, customize your checkout by selecting Update Checkout Branding. Upload your logo and confirm your store name. Both will appear throughout your customer's shopping experience. After you've added a product to your Buy Button channel, you can click Preview Checkout to see exactly what customers will see. To personalize your shipments, click Update Packing Slip. Upload your logo, add a return address, and include a custom message if you'd like.